Residential College and Irvington House, Butler University's two freshman dorms, used to have a large difference in appearance.
I would say that Irvington was always the one where people would be like, if you want to hang out, oh, we should come to my room in Irvington.
However, with this summer's renovations to ResCo, the dorms are more equal in terms of amenities.
All of the rooms got basically redone completely. They have new flooring, new showers, new sinks completely. All of the walls got repainted and everything.
But many things are still missing from ResCo's renovations. From the unupdated cafe area to the empty grass courtyards, students were expecting more from the remodel. Butler released multiple graphics last spring detailing the complete renovation of the dorm. As of now, only students' bedrooms, bathrooms, and unit hallways have been updated. Amidst these changes, Butler is going through a housing shortage.
I know that there are definitely rumors about Butler admitting more students than we had capacity for.
Accounts of first-year students living in Fairview and multiple students being forced to share a room meant as a single have been popping up more and more. Can Butler keep this issue hiding for any longer? Only time will tell. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Rachel Christie.